Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix error code 279 on Roblox. Let's get started. In order to do this, we need to head over to our command prompt. So click on the search bar right here and then search in here for CMD or just command prompt. Now click on this open as administrator in order to open it as admin. And then you can see it right here. So what you can do in this is you can head over and then just use this right here. So let's use this ipconv flash DNS and then enter, and then it will show you this one. Now let's copy this net sh winsock and then let's add this right here, then enter as well. Now this will load and then enter this net sh winsock reset. So let's put that right here, and then as you can see, this will load again, and in here we can complete now the reset. I'll just head over and restart your device. Once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is to head over to your control panel. So click on here again, then search in here for control panel and open it, and then it will open in here. Click on this network and internet, and then in here you can see all the network internet you have. Click on this view network status and tasks, and you can see it here, your Wi-Fi, so click on it. And then in here, click on this properties. So in here, you can see this Internet Protocol TCP IPv4. Click on properties in here. And then in here, use the following DNS server and then put in here 111. And then on the below, right here, let's put in here 1001. And after that, click on this OK, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks!